How to add Microsoft Outlook to WebEx. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can integrate your Outlook account to your WebEx account. If you don't know, WebEx is a video conferencing app or website where you can create video calls or conferences or webinars. So I'm just going to show you how you can add your Outlook account in that. So the first thing you want to do is, if you don't have the WebEx app, you want to go to your browser and search for WebEx. Download WebEx, just open this link. And from here, you can download it for Windows. It will download an exe file on your PC. Then you can install the application from there. And once you've installed the application, you just open it and log into your account. So once you have logged in, what you want to do is go to your settings. So you will see this gear icon at the bottom left. Click on it to open its settings. Now here on your general section, what you want to do is click on this option that says show WebEx availability in Outlook. So what this will do is it will integrate your Outlook account. So see others WebEx availability in Microsoft Outlook. You can also make a WebEx call or send a direct message from their Outlook profile, and just click on save. Your Windows will ask you for your permission. Just click on yes, and as you can see, you're now connected to Outlook. For changes to take effect, you may need to restart Outlook real quick. So you just have to enter restart your Outlook. So I'm just gonna open my Outlook right here. So I've just checked on my Outlook account and it has been successfully connected to my WebEx. And that's how you easily connect your WebEx account to your Outlook account. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.